Hello and welcome everyone to a new Play Recognizer tutorial. Let's go ahead and move to our today agenda. In our today agenda, we have a stream installation process step by step, and we're gonna cover the stream usage and configuration. To start, we're gonna go into our documentation and we're gonna select, we have the two options, PR installer and manual steps. We're gonna go first through the PR installer. So just click on PR installer. A new window will pop up. Just go down and click on download the Windows installer. Okay, just click Windows installer. It will pop up a new tab and it will start the download. I have it already and I'm gonna just cancel this one and go to Play Recognizer installer. Run the Play Recognizer. Okay, this will pop up another tab. As you can see, there's an IP that is actually redirecting us to the stream. We'll have the two options, stream and snapshot. Just click on stream. For this process, we need to have our Docker up and running. If you don't have Docker installed, you can go to one of our tutorial video to check how to install Docker. So after Docker is up and running, just click on refresh, and this will pull up all the stream information and the things that we need to run our tool. We have the license key and as well the API token. We need to add it in this part. We're gonna have as well the configuration ini file. We do have the option to go and configure. We're gonna see it at the end of the video, and that will be the command that we're gonna run in our terminal after we have everything. Just click on show docker command. It will show up. Okay, that was pretty much the PR installer part. Now we're gonna move to the second part, which is the manual steps of the installation. So for this one, we need to go to our manual installation in Stream. Just go there and it will request always to install Docker, but for this time we'll go through the manual steps. So you need to go to the directory and create the folder Stream. I created already, so I don't gonna cover that part, but just go to the documentation and create the folder. Make sure to have Docker install, and then just go to our command prompt and run the command that I just show you. So you will see different process at the end. It will just you will see pull complete for every particular steps. Then move again to the documentation and just copy this other command that it will be there as well. For this particular command, you need to change as well as we did in the PR installer, just the license key and the token key. This is available in our stream dashboard. Just go to apps and then go to stream. There you will see the AP token and the license key. Just make sure to copy the information and go to the command and just remove the X and Y's that you see there, and that will make it. As well, just go to the documentation. You will see it under user. You need to change to the user that you're using or the directory that you add for the stream folder. Since I used my name, I just type my name there. Now I'm changing the license key. So just go back to the stream dashboard, copy the license key, then paste the license key here. When it comes to token, just do the same. Remember to remove the X and Y's and just paste the API token and then just hit enter. You will see there that the command will start running. You will see model optimization, and this can take a couple of minutes, but at the end you will be able to see the health score and some plate information that will be displaying in our command prompt. So as you can see, we have some new vehicles. There's a plate information there. When it comes to the configuration ini file, this is where it's located. It will be displayed in a stream folder. You have the option to go to the documentation and the configuration ini file. You can just modify as you want. There will be, the information to go through this, but just make sure to, after complete or do modification, just save the file and run the stream process again. Okay, so pretty much this is how we do the manual steps. You will see an option there. Uh, you will be able to see screenshots of the vehicles that are coming, and at the same time there's an Excel file that you will be able to display the information. As you can see, you will see the timestamp where you have the date and the hour, the plate information, the score, and you will see vehicles as well, that it has the score, the type, the box, and more information that you will be able to display there.
If you're at this point, it's because you were able to complete the process. Thank you for watching till the end. See you in another Plate Recognizer tutorial.